Alright, so after spending some time using GoHighLevel, trying out its features, exploring the different plans, and setting up automations and client accounts, I wanted to give a simple breakdown of the pricing based on actual experience rather than just what you see on their website. If you're trying to decide which plan is the right fit, here's a quick overview. First, there is the Agency Starter Plan, which costs $97 per month. This plan gives you access to one account, meaning it's mainly designed for managing a single business setup. With this plan, you still get several useful tools like the CRM system, funnel builder, email marketing, SMS campaigns, appointment booking, and the automation builder. It works well if you're using GoHighLevel strictly for your own business operations. However, it becomes limiting if you plan to manage multiple clients. Next, there is the Agency Unlimited plan, priced at $297 per month. This is the plan that most freelancers and marketing agencies end up choosing. With this option, you can create unlimited sub-accounts, which means you can manage as many client accounts as you want. You also get access to a branded desktop app along with all the features included in the starter plan. If you're running an agency or handling multiple brands or clients, this plan is usually the most practical choice and where GoHighLevel really starts to show its value. Finally, there's the SaaS Pro plan, which costs $497 per month. This tier is designed for people who want to turn GoHighLevel into their own software product. With SaaS Pro, you can sell the platform as your own white-labeled SaaS. It includes built-in Stripe billing, automated account creation for new users, and affiliate management tools. This setup is ideal if you plan to scale the platform into a full SaaS business. In addition to the plans, there are also different API access levels available, including both basic and more advanced options depending on your needs. Another helpful thing is that GoHighLevel offers a 14-day free trial, which allows you to test the platform and see which plan works best before committing. So to quickly summarize, if you're using GoHighLevel just for your own business, the starter plan can be enough. If you plan to manage multiple clients or brands, the unlimited plan is usually the better option. And if your goal is to launch your own white-labeled SaaS platform, then SaaS Pro is the plan to go with. Hopefully this quick overview helps you understand the differences and choose the plan that fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.